In this video, we listed the 5 best CoreXY 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Flsun T1 3D Printer. The Flsun T1 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for efficiency and versatility, featuring a remarkable printing speed of up to 1000 mm per second and an acceleration of over 30,000 mm², which allows for rapid, high-quality prints. With a spacious printing volume of 260 mm in diameter and 330 mm in height, the printer utilizes a delta structure for stability and precision, accommodating a wide range of materials, including standard filaments like PLA and more demanding ones such as ABS and PA, thanks to its acrylic enclosure. The dual-gear direct drive extruder ensures smooth extrusion of flexible materials like TPU, while the textured PEI print surface enhances adhesion and simplifies part removal. Designed for ease of use, the Flsun T1 features a heated bed that minimizes warping, requires minimal re-leveling, and incorporates advanced clipper firmware for improved printing performance. Additionally, it includes a user-friendly collaborative system with dual sensors for precise bed leveling and an integrated AI camera for real-time monitoring, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced users. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer is an advanced, high-speed printing solution designed for both enthusiasts and professionals. Built with a lightweight and compact CoreXY system, it boasts impressive speeds of up to 600 mm per second and accelerations of 20,000 mm per second, making it 12 times faster than conventional 3D printers while maintaining exceptional print quality. The printer features a clog-free extruder and a quick-swap tri-metal nozzle for smooth material flow and hassle-free maintenance. Additionally, the integrated AI camera offers real-time monitoring and proactive error alerts, enhancing the printing experience. Operating in silent mode at less than or equal to 45 dB, the K1C also includes an air purifier to ensure a clean working environment. It is compatible with a variety of materials, including carbon fiber filaments, thanks to its closed chamber and hardened steel nozzle tip. Designed for user-friendliness, the K1C comes pre-assembled with auto-calibration and an intuitive touchscreen interface. Powered by Creality OS, it supports intelligent slicing features and provides access to a wealth of free 3D models through Creality Cloud, making it a versatile tool for any 3D printing project. Number 3. Flsun T1 Pro 3D Printer. The Flsun T1 Pro Delta 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for efficient and precise printing, featuring a sleek black metal design with dimensions of 23.62 inch x 34.25 w x 9.45 h and a weight of 22.34 kilograms. It boasts impressive capabilities, including a maximum printing speed of 1000 mm per second and an acceleration of 30,000 mm², thanks to its advanced control chip and high-speed cooling silent fan. Additionally, the printer is equipped with a high-definition AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography, ensuring quality and accuracy throughout the printing process. Its dual-gear direct drive extruder can reach temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius and supports a variety of materials such as PLA, PETG, and ABS, making it versatile for different projects. The T1 Pro also features user-friendly functions like one-button automatic leveling, a material break detector, and a bottom heating system to enhance printing reliability. With support for various slicing software, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a color touch screen, this printer is easy to operate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Its quiet operation at 55 decibels ensures minimal disruption in any environment. Number 4. Longer LK5 Pro. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is a robust and versatile machine designed for both home DIY enthusiasts and educational use, featuring a stable triangular structure that enhances precision and durability. With a generous build size of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches, 300 by 300 by 400 mm, and compatibility with various printing materials, it offers ample creative possibilities. The printer boasts impressive specifications, including a high printing speed of 180 mm per second and a precision of 0.1 mm, thanks to advanced calibration technology that minimizes vibrations. Additional features include filament depletion detection and auto-resume capabilities, which prevent interruptions during printing. Its upgraded configuration includes a silicon carbide lattice glass platform for optimal adhesion, a Teflon tube for smooth material flow, and dual fans for efficient cooling. The LK5 Pro operates quietly with an ultra-quiet driver and offers open-source firmware for customization. With 90% of the assembly completed upon purchase and 24-hour professional customer support, it is user-friendly and ideal for beginners looking to explore 3D printing technology. Number 5. QIDI Plus for 3D Printer. The QIDI X Plus for 3D Printer is a versatile and high-performance machine designed for both professionals and beginners, featuring substantial printing dimensions of 12 by 12 by 11 inches that enhance efficiency by allowing multiple models to be printed simultaneously. It incorporates a second-generation active chamber heating system with a powerful 400W heater and advanced air circulation, minimizing warping and cracking while improving print quality, especially with high-temperature filaments. With an upgraded 80W hot end capable of reaching temperatures up to 370 degrees Celsius, the X Plus supports a wide variety of materials including PPSCF, ABS, and PET. The printer is user-friendly, allowing for quick setup and remote monitoring via a mobile app, and includes features like filament detection to minimize waste. Its robust construction, featuring a dual motor-driven Z-axis and a thickened aluminum hot bed, ensures durability and precision in printing. Additionally, the X Plus 4 is equipped for multicolor printing, with plans for an automatic feeding box to enhance creative possibilities, making it an ideal choice for diverse 3D printing applications.